Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily delete a note in your Facebook profile. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you've previously created a note in the Facebook app, and you'd like to delete it, you'll need to open up the Facebook app. And then you're going to go down to the menu at the bottom and then click on your name and open your page. And you'll have this little cloud like this under your profile picture at the top. And that's going to be your note. To delete it, you'll need to click on the note. At the bottom, select the delete option and confirm your action. And just like that, literally in a few clicks, you can delete your Facebook note very quickly. Dear friends, I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put likes under this video. And also friends, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.